Hello everyone. Are you tired of cleaning your house with your own two hands? Do you dream of having someone else do it for you? Then it's time to get up to speed and take advantage of our new technologies. It's time to take the plunge and get a robotic vacuum cleaner. A new, easy way to save time and money on cleaning products in the long run. In this buy guide, we present our comparison of the 7 cheapest vacuum cleaners available on Amazon. Before you learn more, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell. This will keep you informed of the latest high-tech news, and you'll be the first to be notified when we publish our next video. Without further ado, let's check out our selection of the low-cost robot vacuums. Let's start with this robot vacuum cleaner that uses intelligent navigation. It has 11 collision sensors and 3 anti-fall sensors to avoid the usual shocks with furniture. It also performs a mapping, thanks to which it knows exactly which places it has passed as well as the time and space traveled. This robot vacuum cleaner also has a sweeping system which makes the equipment quite complete. It also has a magnetic strip to mark off areas you don't want it to go through. Plus, it is compatible with lifting carpets up to 2 centimeters. Allergy sufferers will love knowing that it has a filter that remains 99.99% of pollution particles. Another advantage for the lazy ones, it benefits from a large tank of 600 ml. This makes it easy to empty because you don't have to empty it every day. You can control it in both with a remote control or with a mobile app. The Congo 1090 is one of the models that made the aTech brand famous. This robot vacuum cleaner is very complete because in addition to vacuuming, it also includes a cleaning function. This robot vacuum cleaner is perfect if you have pets. Indeed, it includes a special brush for the hair which avoids tangles. You can use the mobile app or operate it manually. But the downside is that it doesn't come with a remote control, which some users may miss. Through the app, we can also control the maintenance of the accessory and know their lifespan. It also tells us when they need to be changed. This may seem silly, but it provides great peace of mind not having to remember dates or whether you've already changed your part or not. It's not one of the noisiest robot vacuums. So, you can go about your business or take a nap without it disturbing you too much. Thanks to the dirt detect sensor, the iRobot Roomba 692 can detect the level of dirt in every area of your home. So it does more work in the areas that need it. This robot is super smart because it learns all your household habits. It even suggests extra cleaning if you have allergies through iRobot's home app. It has iAdapt 1.0 navigation system built in, which allows it to use sensors rather than a camera to move around. But it does not have a mapping function or room cleaning. This robot vacuum cleaner also has the ability to detect the charging station and return to it if needed. The iRobot Roomba 692 offers Wi-Fi connectivity so you can control it from your smartphone. It also offers compatibility with voice assistants such as Alexa or Google. This small robot vacuum cleaner, unlike most, does not have a roller brush in the center, but only a large nozzle to absorb the dirt. A positive point for pet owners because this way the hair does not get tangled and the maintenance is easier. Another advantage, as its diameter is small than that of the robot vacuum cleaners, it fits into every corner. It will not have trouble getting through narrow areas such as between chair legs or between a coffee table and sofa. It is used via a mobile application and does not have a remote control, which can be a problem. It also doesn't include a magnetic strip or any other accessory to mark restricted areas. So if you don't want it going anywhere, you'll have to lock it in the room where you want it to clean. Unfortunately, like most inexpensive robot vacuums, it will go over the same areas several times. And it is possible that it will leave some areas unvacuumed. Unlike higher-end models, this robot vacuum does not know when it's finished cleaning your home. It will only finish when you pause it or when it has 20% of its autonomy left. This robot vacuum cleaner is distinguished by a high power and HEPA filter. Its carpet instruction offers a faster cleaning than most other models at simpler price. This prosthetic robot vacuum cleaner therefore offers a high-end features at a fairly affordable price. It is relatively powerful, 3000 PA, and quite quiet when vacuuming and scrubbing at the same time. On the other hand, it doesn't do any mapping and the mobile app only shows you what has been cleaned. This robot vacuum cleaner only follows one order. It draws straight lines, avoids obstacles, and finishes cleaning very quickly. The good thing about this robot vacuum cleaner is that it works very well for vacuuming carpets. As for its autonomy, increases the power when it detects them. This makes it more efficient for the techs than most robot vacuums for a similar price. Finally, it's nice that it comes with a remote control, although it's easy to use for the mobile app. It also has a magnetic strip to keep it from going through certain areas, but only can be done from the app. The first advantage of this Xiaomi vacuum cleaner, its efficiency thanks to the 1 camera and 15 sensors capable of creating a smart path. This model has an intelligent navigation, it is very quiet, and its quality price ratio is excellent. It makes a map of the house, records it, and improves the cleaning every time you use it. It also detects and avoids obstacles very well. Unlike other cheap robot vacuums, you can set visual barriers using the mobile app, but also the ability to send it to clean a particular room. Another interesting aspect is that it detects carpets and increases the power for effective vacuuming. Plus, when the battery runs out, it returns to the base to charge. And then it continues to clean where it left off. Its main drawback is that it does not have a clean alone option, so it has to vacuum and clean at the same time, and you can only save one card. A real problem if the house has 2 floors. A very easy to use model. Although it doesn't offer a great functionality, it has a good helper for home maintenance. Thanks to its infrared sensors, bumpers, and anti-fall sensors, it minimizes collisions. If it hits furniture or walls, it slows down before gently hitting them. It includes a scrubbing function, but it also has a small water tank that you'll need to refill regularly if you want it to scrub the entire house. The dust tank is also small and you'll have to empty it every day, which is cumbersome and time-consuming. On the other hand, it is interesting for its 150 minutes of autonomy, which leaves enough time to clean a big house. However, it has no Wi-Fi connectivity, so all operations are done with a remote control. So it can't be mapped and you can't send it into a specific room. That's it, folks. I hope I helped you find your dream robot vacuum cleaner that will allow you to avoid chores and relax. If you liked the video, feel free to click on that blue thumb and remind that you can find all the products linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our high-tech gadgets. See you soon for new discoveries. Take care of yourself.